RGC stock, as you can see, is up 140%, currently trading at roughly $10. The stock has more than doubled since the last two trading sessions, I want to believe. And as things stand right now, given this current price, there's now a disconnect with from all its technical indicators. You know, we haven't found any news behind this behind this huge spike. We haven't really found any news, and we can just quickly point out that we have, if this trend continues, we'll have an upward projection of $13.4 and $14.84. All of these were derived from its 5 minute chart. All of them were derived from its 5 minute chart because we really couldn't find a lot. We couldn't find pivots, and we couldn't find resistances, not very much on the longer duration charts. So as things stand right now, it's cooling off. We have to come back to the 4 hour chart and see what's going on. See here. There are no recent pullbacks. There are no recent rejections. It's just a constant upward push. Yeah. See, it all began on Wednesday the 12th yesterday. Yeah. Oh, Wednesday the 12th yesterday, and has continued to. Is that not? Yeah, it's yesterday. Was it yesterday or today? I think it's just today. Probably only today. Yeah. The stock is also a very low float stock. Very low float stock. 1.46 million shares floated. So far in this session, 10 million shares have crossed the tape, and it seems short sellers are quite apprehensive about selling the stock short. They're quite apprehensive about that, but it's available for shorting. They may do that. So at the same time as well, expect this company, expect them to split the stock. They may do that at any point to raise their funds. So if you're really getting involved, just know what you're doing, and expect it also to pull back. Expect it to pull back. That's also one reality that can happen. So short sellers can sell the stock short. They may short it and pull it back. That's expect that to happen. And I mean, I don't need to elaborate further. This is obviously something that can happen. Huge spike that is printed right now. You can see as of all the way back in August, we had this upper projections going all the way towards $46 or thereabout. Yeah, insane projections. We saw this spike occurred then, printed all the way towards $14.15, and it was from the lows of around $3. So extrapolation is to the upside, based on what the 10 and 21-day moving averages are extrapolating. But we have been able to analyze some of the data. This is on the 4 hour chart. Yes. Okay. So stock has already gained 106% the day before. Okay. I didn't know that. Maybe in the post market session. Intraday trade range between $4.3, and we have seen $12 or thereabouts. $12, and yeah, the range of we have a range of 4.36 and 12.4, suggesting significant volatility. Yes, and that's see the expansion that has played out here. Not even sufficiently elaborated. It could even be more elaborated in some cases. But yes, there's an expansion here, volatility expansion there. Moving averages, all simple moving averages, 10, 20, 10, 21, 40, 20, 200, all clustered around 4.51 and 4.97, significantly below the current price. Price versus SMA relationship. Current price of 11.6 is trading substantially above all SMAs, indicating strong upward momentum. Forecasts, both 10-day and this is 10 period and 21 period forecasts predict much lower prices, 4.97 and 4.52 respectively. And these are prices that might pull back towards. Let's see now whether we can find any downward projections. Here we have 7.03. Okay, so let's see now. There appears to be an obviously, yes, there is an extraordinary price event for RGC, potentially news driven or whatever. we haven't seen any news. So the stock has more than doubled in value over two consecutive trading sessions, creating a significant disconnect between the current price and all technical indicators. The second derivative of its price pressure momentum indicator suggests that the rate of price increase may be slowing despite the stock's dramatic gains. Forecasts are point to much lower pricing. The forecast pointing to much lower pricing suggests potential mean reversion ahead. So considerations without knowing the company's fundamentals or the catalyst behind this move, it is suggested that extreme price movements often attract volatility, the implication is that, or what you need to consider is that such extreme price movement often attract volatility in subsequent sessions. The disconnect between price and technical indicators suggests potential for retracement. Obviously, you know that. The downside targets 4.19, 4.03, 3.94 suggest significant downside risk if this is a speculative bubble. And yeah, being that it's also a low float, just as it spikes, it would also retrace. So I think let's see. This is the 4 hour chart is what was analyzed in that readout. Let's see. I think there might be somewhere here 4.73. Yeah, those were the figures there. Somewhere those pullbacks were there. Yeah. So just see what you make of RGC stock. We have upper projections of 13.4 and 14.84. Downward projections, I think we have them here all the way down to 3.81. And so thank you very much for watching this video.